Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many developers face when working on a mobile app. The issue arises when you need to call a function, like an API, when the compose screen is open for the first time. You want this function to run only once, but the tricky part is that every time there's a configuration change like rotating the device or switching between light and dark mode, the function gets called again, even though the data doesn't need to be updated. Frustrating, right? Now, the solution to this problem involves using a neat trick to avoid the function from being triggered multiple times. By incorporating the code snippet provided, you can efficiently manage this situation. The key is to use rememberSaveable to store a flag that indicates whether the function has already been called. This way, the function will only execute once, even when there are configuration changes happening around. In summary, by implementing the suggested code with rememberSaveable, you can ensure that the function is called only when needed, preventing unnecessary API calls on configuration changes. And with that, we've tackled a common problem faced by developers working on mobile apps. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding!